हिला दिया
How are you? Hi.
How are you?
सब इधर ही है, सब भाग जाके ये 250 में लिया। पार्टी हो रही है, क्या हो रही है? पार्टी हो रही है।
पार्टी हो रही है।
रामा कितने? इधर ही है।
रामा राधे 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 राधे
Hi.
So thank you for this here. I'm just talking on behalf of Preetam here. Okay, so if you were here, he would probably be lecturing you a lot more than this. But there's the camera. Alright, so guys, we really want you to enjoy. There's a lot of plans for next year. You might have already heard we're moving to a new facility in the next 3 to 4 years' time. There's a lot of new plans that's coming up with the facility. There's a lot of modification plans, a lot of new launches, a lot of new projects coming in. So we want you all to be a part of the growth of this organization in the next couple of years. Alright? And next year we want to do this bigger and we want to do it.
मैं रील्स बना था गाना। खायला द्या.